appeal for a run out there, but he's safe. So the pressure mounting up for Azorians. They have a very huge target to chase. Still more than 100 runs needed. And they have only 72 deliveries left.
Inside edge, wicket keeper chasing.
And that edge will bring them 2 runs. Never mind, they need runs from some way or another.
Score moves up to 138. So 136.
Suhail and Rifas have really turned the game up for Madinians. They have stolen the game from the Azorians with their bowling and batting, and it's another wicket. This is folding up very fast. 8 wickets down, Azara 136. Suhail and Rifas have done it for the Madinians. They are taking wickets from either ends. It's very good all-round performance by that duo. And look at the crowd there. The Madinians are cheering up.
The Madinians are rocking here in Pallegale. Lots of fun for the schoolboys and all boys. The cheering for their side, they're working very well at the middle. Suhail and Rifas due. $136 for 8. What a setback, Shafraz. They played very well, 91 for 4, but now 136 for 8. Only the Bazim is a recognized batsman at the crease, but there's nothing much to do for him because there's plenty of runs to get. Just a few overs remaining. Tail end is at the crease. At the quick delivery, Suhail is a very experienced combiner and the game for his school, the 4th year colours man.
End of over number 38. It's precisely 5 in the evening today in Pallegale. It's a very beautiful evening. Not a good day for the Azorians. Nice increases.
Yeah, surely from Madinian camp. There's no doubt about it. Shiraz is a new bowler.
Manazir has brought back pace into the attack.
It's a one-sided game, Shafraz. They played superbly. Early wickets. 2 wickets down for Madina. The very first over, Azarians got a wicket. 2 wickets, but after the strong partnership, came back very well. And they put on to the massive target for the schoolboys, 237.
Here comes Shiraz. And that's a boundary. played well on the offside. Well acknowledged by the crowd.
Shambraz and Wasim at the crease for Azhar College. 144.
Can they do a miracle here?
I don't think so. We need another Matthews and Rashid Malik is Shambraz. It's very impossible. We can't see often like those measures. It's once in a lifetime. The pressure game, big match, the traditional encounter.
The most looked after day of the school calendar of the both prestigious schools.
Yeah, but
They've been preparing for months for this great knock. Both the team, the spectators, the old boys, teachers, the principals. It's a very tiresome job for all of them. And they're looking for a couple. No, they have to settle with a single. But have to mention this time's hosts, Azhar College, the old Azharians Union have done a great job. They brought the match to the Pallekare.
really Shafraz, the Old Azharians Union working very smartly because it's a big event and the big event of for the both schools and the one and only Muslim schools are playing this traditional battle.
Also, we have to mention about the AkuranaTV.com team. They have put up a great show here.
Hats off to Old Azharians Union and hats off to Akurana News. Sorry, Akurana News and AkuranaTV.com. All combined, working very smartly, but
No matter what, we may lose the game, but Azharians, they are united as one.
and
When it comes to big events like this, they all get together and they make a difference. That's the real spirit of Azhar. We may win, we may lose, but it's all in our hearts, soul in our soul.
the currently Azhar cages, they're performing very well in Colombo. Currently, Shafraz going on the 19 basketball tournament. They beat Christchurch.
They are always in the lead. Azharian Cages is one of the leading basketball playing schools in the country, and it's the only Muslim school to play basketball in Sri Lanka, and they are on par with the big schools in Colombo. They have already overtaken the big giants in Kandy. The Trinities, the Antonians, they are no more the leaders. Azhar are the leaders in Kandy when it comes to basketball, and they are already on par with the big names. The St. Peter's.
And the 2008 is a golden, the moment of Azhar College basketball history. The
Yes.
champions.
They were
of
the
Rhode Island.
Yes, and last year they were the runners-up. I was there at DSN Anayaka when
Yeah.
they played against the DSN Anayaka.
It's under floodlights.
It was on the floodlights, and it was a great game. It was a great fight from the Azharians. They never gave up the game, but nevertheless, it was a home team advantage for DS, which brought in
It's Shafraz
victory.
under 17 and lost for just 2 points.
Yeah, it was a mere 2-point loss for the Azharians, but it was a great game, and it's gone over the top. Is he going to take it? No, and it's a 6. Are they making a miracle here?
The first 6 of Azhar College innings, that is from the tail end, Shambraz.
150 up for Azhar. Still 88 runs more to get.
But Shafraz, do you remember that basketball match was played in the Ramazan period? The fasting.
Yeah, we broke fast at DS.
This and the Azharian fans in Colombo.
Yeah.
This magnificent atmosphere there.
And it was a great crowd from the Azarian camp too, because all the Azarian old boys in Colombo were there to cheer up their alma mater. It's a spirit what Azhar has. It's not winning or losing. We may lose games, but we have the spirit.
It's a main for a school, and one of the growing two leading schools in Muslim schools in Sri Lanka, Azhar College and Madina. Madinians are playing cricket very well here in Pallegale, and they perform very well. I think in the mid-90s they got 113 runners-up for champions. Exactly, I didn't remember. But they played superbly so far. Overs, 151.
They're entering the last 60 balls of the innings.
87 runs needed, 60 balls, Shabraz. 2 wickets in hand. Wasim and Shamraz at the crease.
It's a tough task for the school boys.
What is the turning point of this match so far, Shabraz, for Azarian batting?
I think it was the wicket of Azahir which turned the game. He was looking solid there.
Yeah, captain good, looking very good, but unfortunately he back to the pavilion very early. Scored just 23 runs. Last year he scored 50.
Shiraz again. Start the 41st over. Leg by. Score moves up to 153. $85 runs needed from 59 balls. They need some big hits and they need to keep the wickets. Seems like an impossible task for the Azorians, and it's another boundary there. They are showing some courage here. They haven't given up.
The boundary from Wasim, and score moves up to 156. Wasim on 17. The good lucky shot from Wasim.
Good knock by the tailenders here. They are looking really good. But still, Madinians are far ahead than the Azorians at the moment. Score is now 156. Another 82 runs needed from 58 deliveries. And it's another boundary. It's called Bais. Back-to-back welcome boundaries for Azhar. Madinians are back in a slight pressure here, but still they are ahead in this game. Seven more balls left. 78 runs needed. From 56 balls. 78 needed from 56 balls. Again looking for a big shot. He wants a two, but they'll settle with a single.
And his score moves up to 161.
Needed from 56.